You get popped, no penny wise. Money getting stacked up, selling high. Weekend cool, no enterprise. Got it right now, no getting back. Brand new drip, Chanel slides. The motherfucker hurt, but he still fly. No pressure, ain't gotta sell back. Wake up next day, I'm still high. Chanel bag, Chanel tan. These weak bitches gon' still.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. I had to recreate the Chanel slippers cash doll ponytail look. Girl, okay, when I seen that video, I was like, I'm on it, honey. I'm gonna recreate that look. I got you. And this video is definitely for my girls that have thinning edges. I have thinning edges, thinner on one side than the other, and I'll show you how I handle that, little tips and tricks that I use to camouflage the issue so that I can rock styles like this without a problem. So I'm going to share that with you as well. I do also have a video coming soon on this makeup look, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, please let me know down below. Also subscribe and hit that thumbs up. I love you guys and enjoy the video. Okay ladies, so I'm just going to be applying some oil to my hair, which is freshly washed and blow dried, and then proceeding to flat iron my hair all throughout. This is just going to help me create like a sleeker look, going in with my straightening comb as well on the front and the back, just to make sure that ponytail is going to be laid. I don't have a perm right now, so my new growth is all natural, including these edges, so we're gonna make it work. So here you can see I'm using a spray color to camouflage the thinning edges, and then applying some wax just to once again secure that sleekness. Like, I need to have this ponytail all the way snatched. So we have some spritz, a brush. I'm going to pull this all the way up into a high ponytail in the very middle of my head. And I might have had to do this a couple times just to make sure everything was flat, you know, use the comb. But we got it together. And I'm just laying my baby hairs down with some mousse. Here I'm just showing you the invisible ponytail method that I decided to go with. I'm securing this without any bobby pins, just by wrapping the tail end of the hair around and just making sure it's tight around the ponytail. And I'm just making sure everything is secure and shiny and looking like I'm fresh out the salon, girl. You know what to do. Did I fail to tell you guys that I'm only rocking one bundle? And yes, these are my bundles from my website, www.theglowuphair.com. This is the Brazilian wavy 18-inch bundle. I just thought one bundle was going to definitely give me the most sleek appearance as possible without making it look too like bulky, because these bundles are thick. I'm just cutting that right below my earlobe, just like as I seen on the Cash doll video. I just wanted to make sure that it looked as closely to hers as possible. And right here, ladies, this is like the most important key right here. This is bumping your hair. This is not curling your hair. This is not flat ironing your hair. This is bumping. Notice that I'm not bending the flat iron crazy. I don't have a crazy grandmom hump on the ends of my hair. It is literally just the flick of the wrist right here. And I'm also using a thicker flat iron, which also helps to perfect this look here. Yes, so if you have stayed to the end of this video, then you already know what you need to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and throw a thumbs up down there below the video, and stay tuned because this makeup look is coming for you. It's coming, ladies. Have a good day. Much love.